There's something about a perfect morning. It starts with intention and the right coffee. Peet's Jubilee Blend, crafted with care from the world's finest beans. Peet's coffee is more than just a brew. It's a moment, a celebration of flavor, care, and craftsmanship. Hand-selected, expertly roasted, ready to release their bold, smooth flavors with every grind. Each bean, rich with character, ground to perfection, for the freshest cup every time. With Peet's Jubilee Blend, you can brew it just the way you like it. Ground fresh, brewed just right. From the first drop to the last, rich, bold, and undeniably smooth. Mornings just got a whole lot better. Peet's coffee makes the sunrise worth waking up for. Whether it's the first sip to start your day or a quiet moment before the hustle, Peet's coffee brings you closer to what matters most. From morning rituals to moments of quiet reflection, Peet's coffee is there to elevate every experience. Crafted for those who appreciate the extraordinary in every cup. Peet's Jubilee Blend, because life's too short for ordinary coffee.